me again, and today there's a thunderstorm and
take a picture in the snow tent.
okay, let's go take a picture of the snow video. If you want your tablet to get wet, you can. Let's get a video proof of it. My grandpa said let's go take a picture of it or something like that. So I'm technically outside. If you guys want to see something cool, it's really cool. I'll just show you for a second. Wait. I'm going to show you for a second because actually I got this. And then we're going to go see. It's raining. That's why I put this over. And I don't want to get this wet. Here, look at. Look at this. It's snowy. I live in California, Sacramento. So this is where I live in California. And it doesn't snow, and this all of this is just hail. There's hail on the floor. Yeah, you guys can see so much. I'll show you in the back. Yeah, there's just a little bit. Swish, wash. Some there. There. Here's got a tour. And now we're gonna go back inside. Okay, now here. It's so warm in here and it's so cold outside. Random thing. It's a teddy bear flying.
See, look at
school.
Kobe. But it was fun.
I got Mewtwo here.
I'm not Mewtwo, I'm Mew the cat.
And Mew the cat. And here's some snow. You want to see Mew the
It's not snow, it's...
hail. It's not a
Here.
bad word because...
Show them the video. Show them the video that
Yeah.
I took at my school. It was crazy. It was like snow. I did not like it. It hurt. It hurt very, very much. It hurted very, very much. But yeah. Look it. Crazy. Oh yes.